So as y'all see, we are at Tractor Supply. Look at these right here. 47-inch range fire pit. $179.99. They always have these little things. $1,499. These grills. I had been looking for fans. Finally got some for the garage. And then come up in here and it's $99, but I wasn't gonna pay that anyway. But it's Max Air. This one $199. It's a big one. Big one, big one, big one. If y'all familiar with these fans, I'm familiar with the ones that's like this, but they're a lot bigger. They set up tall, the utility, like big fans for like the warehouses and stuff. $149. This is $99. Turbo flow fan. Okay. Alright, y'all. So y'all know I can't come in here and not see these. I lost what? 5 of mine. Oh, boilers, straight runs. Don't want no straight runs. Black 6-link pullet. Yeah, I don't want none of like them premium pullets and stuff. Yeah, I ain't gonna be getting none because they straight runs, the Americanas, they don't take heat well, you know. And I knew that when I got the other ones that I got, but I tried them. That's why I only got 5 of them, and I got the rest of my chickens, you know, the other 30 and the ones I know. So I don't need none of these. I'm right at 30, 31 left, you know. So, but that's what they have for the chickadees. Well, let me go over here. I need another. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Another waterer. For them. So what I'm doing this time around with chickens, I'm just throwing pretty much. I'm putting their food out there, but they getting bigger now. So I just throw their food around and let them get it off the ground. Because they put it on the ground anyway. So all I need is another waterer. And I love, they done went up. It was $30. Now it's $44. Oh, it's done went up. But these waterers work amazing. That 5-gallon up there. Because yeah, that one is 40. That one 44. So I might as well get another 5-gallon. That one is a little taller than the one that I had got before. I don't even see the 5-gallon one that I had gotten before. It was like this. It was like this. But it was the 5-gallon one. And if I'm going to get it, I might as well just get another 5-gallon one, you know? So, yeah. Now, it's 4 more people with me. 3 children that's all taller than me. On Oronde. And I don't see that one of them. Because I can't get that off that shelf. So I got to get one of them. I don't need no feed right now. I could go ahead and stock up on another bag of feed. Let me see, do they even got the feed? The one that I get. They do. I may go ahead and get it. It's $20. I may go ahead and get one. To make sure I'm stocked on it, you know. I don't know. It's 20. I may go ahead and do that. I ain't gonna start them on grain until the next go around, but it's $14.99. When I used to buy the grains, it used to be but really I said I stopped that because I can get them stuff out the garden to supplement for this, because this could be another bag of feed. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to that. Probably get one of those and then get this. That'll keep me always a step ahead when it comes to that. You know, right now though, they don't need all that protein. I could go ahead and get them the grain to mix up, you know. Oh, nope, no. I got stuff in the car. That's I have to wait. I'll just write that up. But I do need this water. Let me go find and see where these people at. Where are these people at? Here they go. Right down here. Hey, y'all, what y'all doing? I need a no, I don't need no butter, no buggy. I said butter. Oh, hold up, they got some more waterers right here. I bet they ain't gonna have the one that I want. No. I bet they ain't gonna have. Oh, and they even got this for the feeder. I wonder, could I got 5-gallon bucket. I wonder if this will be easy. No, I think just throwing it out there gonna be my best bet, because I ain't got time for all that extra. What I'm gonna do is, I don't see the other one, so yeah, I'm just gonna get that feeder for now. Let me find these people. All right, y'all, I said feeder the last time. I meant the waterer. I got the waterer, so I think that's all I came in here for. They said I was supposed to get some chicken, so let me look, because I already looked at these, and like I said, straight runs, sapphire. Let me see if these the ones that I don't know if them the ones that was dying off, but let me see. The only thing I can get out of here is black sex link pullets. That's it. Because they are pullets. The other ones are straight runs. So that would be like the only ones I could get out of there would be them. So this is the one I got, y'all. The 5-gallon. Yep. It's been the interesting last couple of days with me trying to get that OBS and stuff situated. And y'all, oh my goodness, I had cooked the other day and we had so much food left over, so trying to get that stuff done. Look, we grabbed some food out. We got Golden Corral, so this is what the kids is having. They having bourbon street chicken with what they say? Oh, okay, they did come with one side. So they having bourbon street chicken with rice and sweet potato casserole, and it comes with bread and 2 cookies and a drink. So they got Sprite. Okay, so that's what each one of the kids is having. That's their food right there. Cause we about to watch a movie and peg out and relax, y'all. Everybody telling me I done really outdid myself with learning OBS and stuff. So, whew, y'all, this is Oronde's right here. He got the 3-piece fried chicken meal with some macaroni and cheese and some sweet potato casserole. And I was shocked that he got sweet potato casserole. I don't like they cookies like that, so I ended up getting a slice of cake. Okay, we about to watch that Tyler Perry Divorce in Black or something movie, and the kids gonna come in here. We're gonna all just pick out, you know. I got a Sprite is what I'm having. Of course, Oronde is having his beer. Y'all already know. You already know. And the kids got canned Sprites, and I'm having my usual. If I get Golden Corral, I normally get if I can open it, and I have him open it. Okay, trying to hold this camera. I get meatloaf, green beans, and sweet potato casserole. Okay, so that's what we're about to have. here. Hey y'all, welcome back. Alright y'all, so I told y'all that a couple weeks ago that I'll be getting a couple more chicks. So I've been calling around and found out that they have this Tractor Supply has some of my board rocks. So y'all know I lost the 5 baby ones and then I lost one that ran out. The baby ones is because they was that kind that I told you is not too strong when it comes to heat, and I just wanted to try out, but like I said, they not, so that's why I had only got 5. If y'all been following me, then y'all know what I've been saying about that. So let me get my board rocks. Got the Jersey Giants, they got Bantams, Americanas, and Wyandottes, but I am getting my board rocks. I'm so happy. My board rocks, and the board rocks are pullets, so yeah. They are pulleys. Look, they got some ducks in there. They got some little ducks in there. Oh. Just got a question. Your ducks, they are straight line? Are they like male and female?
I can ask real quick.
Okay.
Are the ducks male and female?
Look, y'all. So I'm getting some board rocks. Let's go back over here.
Yeah, are they male and female, or are they just like a specific sex? Will that be it? Alright, let me close it.
Let's see what they have right here. They have Baramas and Marans. Morans. Baramas and Morans. Okay, let's pull it. Alright, y'all. I got the chickadees. I got 6 board rocks. 6 board rocks. Let me see if they got anything clearance. As far as the garden stuff. I don't need any feed or anything like that. Nope. I'm happy about them. Okay, y'all. So y'all didn't get a chance to see the baby chicks up close. So I lost one. That is to be expected. It almost always happened on a batch. But these are my board rocks. So it's 5 of them right here. Look how they just got and turned their backs to me. They are something else, and they are already little. So they are little, and I was worried that the other ones out there was going to trample over them. So I put them out just so I could see they did perfect. The ladies out there did not trample over them, well, did not peck at them or nothing. But everybody out there is bigger than them, so I just got them though and put them in here until they get a little bigger, just to keep them safe, okay? So yeah, and this is one of my brooders. Y'all done saw this with the wire on top. If you see something here, it's like a little rust because they had been outside now for over a year on and off. So yeah, but it's the top with some netting on top when you cut the part out, and then one of these things to it. So yeah, this is how, look, board rocks. Okay, y'all, so that's how I'm gonna end this video. It's been days. So many days. I did not film too much. Really couldn't do much outside because it's been a lot of rain. And as I put this video up, today is August 5th, 2024, and this morning Hurricane Debbie hit Florida. So it's supposed to be coming up towards the Carolinas. So yeah, but before then we was getting a lot of rain for days. Okay, normally this one that is to be expected. Will happen. Well, sometimes that happens. We start getting rain always happen on days before or whatnot. But these are my but anyway, y'all, it is early morning and I had to finish up this video for y'all. Sorry, not too much went on in. I was on the prowl for me some chicks. If y'all follow the days, this is multiple day vlog. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I hope y'all enjoy, and I will see y'all in the next one. Out there did not trample y'all be safe over, well, did not peck at them or nothing, but everybody